We cannot outgive God. A tenth of the produce of the land is the Lord's. Leviticus chapter 27 verse 30. We are to be stewards of our money. When it is invested and shared for the glory of God, it can be a boon and a blessing. I know a businessman in Detroit, Michigan, who made a promise to God that he would tithe his entire income to the work of the Lord. He said his business had tripled, and that God had more than fulfilled his end of the bargain. Some time ago I heard from a laborer in the San Joaquin Valley of California who said that he and his wife agreed to give 1/10 of their income to the Lord. At the time they made their decision, he was able to get work only about 7 months of the year. Now he says he has steady work, and is earning nearly twice what he was before. You cannot get around it. The scripture promises material and spiritual benefits to the man who gives to God. You cannot outgive God. I challenge you to try it and see. Prayer for the day. Forgive me, Lord, for the times I have wanted to keep that which is rightfully yours.